In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's begin with the first step. You'll want to log into HubSpot. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in to your account. Once you're on your HubSpot dashboard, you're ready for what comes next. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. Click on that icon, which will take you to a new area where you can explore additional features and integrations. Next, you're going to go to the App Marketplace. In the drop-down menu that appears when you click the Marketplace icon, select App Marketplace. This is where you can find various integrations that might be helpful for your business processes. Once you're in the App Marketplace, it's time to search for Microsoft Teams. Use the search bar located at the top of the page. Type in Microsoft Teams and press Enter. This action will filter the available apps so you can easily find the one you need. After executing the search, look through the results for the official Microsoft Teams integration developed by HubSpot. It should be clearly labeled, and once you find it, click on it. This will take you to the dedicated app page where you can learn more about what this integration offers. On the app page, take a moment to review the permissions it will require and the data sync details. This includes what contacts and deals will be shared between HubSpot and Microsoft Teams. Once you're comfortable with the information provided, click the Install App button to get started with the integration. When you click Install, a pop-up will appear asking how you'd like to proceed with the installation. You will have two options: full install or limited install. If you opt for the full install, you'll gain complete access to all features offered by the integration. This is beneficial if you want to maximize functionality. On the other hand, if you select the limited install, keep in mind that it will restrict certain data syncing capabilities. Think carefully about your needs as you make this choice, as it can affect how you use both applications together. Once you've chosen your installation type, follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate and finish the setup. This involves authorizing the connection and allowing the necessary permissions for HubSpot and Microsoft Teams to communicate effectively. After completing these steps, you should have a working connection between HubSpot and Microsoft Teams. This integration can streamline your communication and manage your workflows more efficiently, so enjoy the convenience it brings to your daily tasks. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and instructional content.